set, ready for racing. Racing just started with hard work classic break quick letter start moving upon the outside. There's 3 coins in the fountain. Lucky Gunner comes next, then followed by Plenty of Stars, then next online headers. Tricky Trees, Mount Honey Gitten, while Captain of the Sea is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have 3 coins in the fountain, enjoying a length lead, rushing about the outside is Lucky Gunner. In between horses comes Hard Work Classic, Plenty of Stars comes next, Tricky Trees, then next online headers, Captain of the Sea, while Mount Honey Gitten now racing in less out of the 4th turn. We have 3 coins in the fountain. Lucky Gunner is alongside, then comes number 1 Hard Work Classic, then next online is Plenty of Stars, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have 3 coins in the fountain, now by about 4 lengths. Lucky Gunner in second, and in third comes Hard Work Classic, Plenty of Stars. Last 100 meters, we have 3 coins in the fountain, followed by Lucky Gunner, and finally 3 coins in the fountain. Lucky Gunner, Hard Work Classic, Plenty of Stars, then comes headers. Racing just is started with Golden Cup. Break quick, let us start. Moving body outside, Boss Benji, Coterminus, Providence. In between horses, Apple, Deuce up. Next on Ladies Charm Offensive. One who couldn't love Apple. Air Supply getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. Then comes Minnow Cutter, while Peace Needed is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have Golden Cup. Says why we follow deep, we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Boss Benji in second, Coterminus, Providence is down on the inside. Apple Deuce up, alongside comes Charm Offensive. Then next online, Minnow Cutter, One who couldn't love, Peace Needed racing second less, while Air Supply now racing in 11th. And the 4th turn, we have Golden Cup by about 2 lengths, and in second is Apple. Moving up is Providence. Boss Benji comes next, Coterminus, Apple Deuce up, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Golden Cup moving up now. The outside is Apple. Last 100 meters, Golden Cup. Apple now moving up on the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead, and finally the program opener. Apple, Golden Cup, Boss Benji, Apple Deuce up, then comes Providence.
Horses out, we've got the Snake Wheel moving up. Lucky Leonor and Salt Mine is running by the hour. Then down on the inside is Camora, Bungisngis, and Nickel Toys is the early trailer. Lucky Leonor by about 2 lengths. Salt Mine in second. Snake Wheel is racing in third. Camora in fourth. Bungisngis, Nickel Toys is racing in theirs. And that's the Lucky Leonor by about 2 lengths. Salt Mine still in second. Snake Queen now trying to get closer in third. Bungisngis then moving up on the outside. Lucky Leonor, Salt Mine, Snake Queen now moving up in the middle portion to take the lead. It's now Snake Queen, and on the outside is Salt Mine. Lucky Leonor that's back in third. Here comes Camora and Bungisngis with Snake Queen by our Hapalanga. On the outside is Salt Mine. Lucky Leonor remains in third. Then here comes Camora alongside is Bungisngis. Is Snake Queen, Salt Mine, Lucky Leonor in third. As they come down to the last of the day, and that's Snake Queen, Salt Mine, Lucky Leonor is running by the lead. Is Snake Queen still in front by about 3 lengths. Lucky Leonor is Salt Mine, entering the finish line. It's Snake Queen second, Lucky Leonor, Salt Mine, Bungisngis, then comes Camora, Nickel Toys. Passes out our Angel's Dream. Best again, Dowry, sorry, outside, Excel, Shane third. Then followed by Stanley, no humble submission, and Zoe Deering is the early player. Our Angel's Dream, Dowry, sorry, outside. Then racing in third is Excel, Zoe Deering in fourth. Humble submission, and Stanley, no is still racing and last inside the half mile. Two runners fighting it out for the leader. Our Angel's Dream, Dowries on the outside. Then Pipeline Zoe third, Excelsior, Zoe Deering in fourth, Humble Submission and Stanino with our Angel's Dream by about a length. And in second still is Dowry. Excelsior remains in third. Our Angel's Dream back to 2 lengths lead. Dowry still in second. Here comes Excelsior, now trying to get closer in third with our Angel's Dream still in front by about 2 lengths. Dowry remains in second, Excelsior in third as they come down to the last of the day. Our Angel's Dream still in front, Dowry still in second, Excelsior in third, and down to the finish, and it's still our Angel's Dream, and finally our Angel's Dream. Excelsior, Dowry, Zoe Deering, Humble Submission, and Stanley Low. Bouncing lads.
There, on the way, Gio Conti, Letter King, Todomar, Johnny Maria outside is Diamonds Wonder, and passing the winning post, Todomar, the leader, leads by Zan 2.5 lengths, followed by Letter King. 4 lengths back in third, Diamonds Wonder, running by Rula is the Conti, and rushing up in between horses is the Volcano, then followed by Robert's Magic Pin Grip at also this grip, long way back to Real Value. As they pass the half mile, Todomar by some 5 lengths, followed by Letter King. Another 5 lengths into Gio Conti, around the outside now Robert's Magic, then followed by Fin Grip, the Volcano next in line, Diamonds Wonder, then followed by Et al. Also Discreet, long way back to Real Value. Inside the last 600, Letter King takes command now from Todomar. Here comes Robert's Magic, and Gio Conti is racing for us. They hit the final turn. Letter King by some 5 lengths now, followed by Robert's Magic. Gio Conti running in third, Todomar, Volcano, Diamonds Wonder, Pin Grip, et al. Not the Wise, all the top favorite. Letter King second, Gio Conti, Robert's Magic, Pin Grip, Diamonds Wonder, et al. Volcano, also Discreet, Todomar, Real Value. Ariana Mimo, amping up. There, on the way, Persian Empire, those for the leader. Moving up, Grace Gibber, Paddy outside, Mark Jason Hill, Thunder, Max Gibero, Undisputed Earth, Nelson Liner. Then followed by Pang Pangenyo, headline chaser, Intragaro, while Ariana Mimo is running in a tail of the field. Out the straight they travel, the top favorite, Persian Empire, leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Grace Gibber in second, down in third, Mark Jason Hill, down in fourth, Thunder, Max Gibero, rushing up, Pampang Ganyo na Paddy outside, 2 lengths back, in 7 is Undisputed Art, then followed by Headline Chaser, long way back in Trigaro and Ariana Mimo, who's still running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Persian Empire still in front by some 2.5 lengths. Right about closer in second, Grace Gibber, Pang Ganyo na Paddy outside, Mark Jason here. Here comes Undisputed Art as they swing for home. Persian Empire still in front by some 3 lengths, and here comes Undisputed Art now from the outside. Persian Empire, Undisputed Art moves up to win this race. Persian Empire, Pampangano, Grace Gibber, Mark Jason Hill, and Thunder Max. has just begun with Firebull looking for the lead, but here comes Wild Talk, Matang Tubig, then followed by Spartan. Then next in line is Cliff Bridge, while Surplus King is running in a field of field. Out of straight, they travel. Wild Talk takes up the running, leads by 3 for the length. On the outside now is Matang Tubig. A very close third, Firebull, 2 lengths back to Cliff Bridge, Spartan, long way back, Surplus King. Halfway down, they travel. Wild Talk still in front, Malanka. And moving up by the wheel is Firebull. On the outside, Matang Tubig. Closing in now is Cliff Bridge. Then followed by Spartan. Long way back, Surplus King inside the last 600. Wild Talk still in front, Malang, followed by Firebull. And here comes Cliff Bridge, Matang Tubig. And moving up by the wheel, Spartan as they swing for home. Battle Royale goes on, Firebull. And Wild Talk on the outside. Wild Talk, Firebull running by the wheel. It's still Wild Talk, Firebull, Wild Talk on the outside. Wild Talk, Firebull, but it's still Wild Talk. Winning this race about Firebull, Spartan, Cliff Bridge, Surplus King, and Matang Tubig.